In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to integrate Webflow forms with HubSpot, a truly effective method of streamlining your website and marketing management. Let's delve right into the steps on how to achieve this. Our journey begins at the HubSpot website. Head over to www.hubspot.com and sign into your existing account. In case this is your first encounter with HubSpot, don't fret. The platform provides the convenience of creating a new account or even starting a free trial. Yet, if you already retain an account, you can use your credentials for swift access. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot dashboard, your gateway to the various features and functionalities of the platform. As we search for the integration feature, proceed to find and click on the Marketplace icon, conveniently located in the top navigation bar. This should be pretty straightforward. Upon clicking, you'll notice a drop-down menu appear. What you're looking for within this menu should read HubSpot Marketplace. Go ahead and click on that. Our goal on this journey is to integrate with Webflow, and to find it, we'll utilize the Marketplace's search bar. Here comes the easy part. Direct your cursor to the Marketplace's search bar, act like you're Sherlock Holmes on the hunt, type in Webflow, and press enter. As the search results populate, keep your eyes keen for the official Webflow listing. Found it? Great. Now click on it to redirect to a detailed view of the integration. As you're redirected to the Webflow integration details page, you'll see an Install button, usually positioned conspicuously for easy access. You know what to do, don't you? Yes, click the button. You're almost done now with the integration. Keep up the good work. Subsequently, the system will prompt you to log in using your Webflow account credentials. Of course, this step is geared towards establishing a secure connection between your HubSpot and Webflow accounts. Put in your Webflow credentials as per the prompt to move to the next step. Finally, what remains is to authenticate the connection. For this, you'll be requested to authorize the connection. By clicking on the prompted authorization button, you'll essentially be granting permission for HubSpot to connect with your Webflow account. And with that final click, you would have successfully completed the seamless integration between HubSpot and Webflow, making your website marketing journey much more efficient. Congratulations.